For a lot of people, hair growth result with finasteride tend to be much faster, and for some, finasteride tend to have a slower result. Well, in my case, finasteride had given me a faster result. Like, in a matter of 3 months, I was able to see a drastic result, which covered my crown area and my temple areas almost 80% from baseline. Hey guys! Kumusta kayo? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Moe and I do contents about nursing in skincare and hair care. In today's video, I will talk to you guys about the best time to take finasteride for faster hair growth. And so, if you're interested in this topic, then just keep on watching. So how was I able to regrow my hair, particularly the crown area and the temple areas, in a matter of 3 months? Yes, we do know that finasteride is an FDA-approved medication to treat male pattern baldness, and we know that it does work. But how to take this medication for faster hair growth? Is there really a best time to take this medication? Well, based on my nursing drug book, finasteride is to be taken once daily, and that means that finasteride is to be taken every day on the same time, with or without food. If it is convenient for you to take it first thing in the morning, then do so. If it is okay for you to take it before bedtime, that is also okay, as long you take it every day on the same time. If you are new to finasteride, make sure that you do not skip a dose, because this will affect the rate of your hair growth. So regardless of what dosage you are in, 1 milligram or 0.5, it is very important not to miss a dose and to follow your doctor or your pharmacist's specific instructions. I personally am very strict with taking any kinds of medications, and specifically with finasteride, I make sure that I take them on the same time every day and not to miss a dose. If ever I missed a dose, I never take 2 tablets the following day to cover up for the missed dose. I just continue taking the medication and try my best not to miss a dose in the future. My nursing schedules changes every 2 weeks. 2 weeks of day shifts, then 2 weeks of night shifts. So regardless of the changes in my schedules, I make sure that I set my cell phone alarm to remind me to take it on the same time. You guys can also use a pill reminder case to help you remember if you have taken the medication or not. This one, guys, really helps me a lot. You may not be able to take it exactly on the same time due to, whatever reasons you may have, but at least try your best to take it in around the same time. Technically, once the finasteride is in your system, it will start to work regardless of what time you take the medication. Just make sure not to miss a dose, because that's what is really going to affect your hair growth, as I said earlier. Finasteride has no known interactions with other medications. It is safe to take with other medications, but what I can advise you is that if you are taking any other medications, such as heart medications, thyroid medications, or any other medications that are much more important, try to take them first at least 2 hours before finasteride. And if you are taking herbal supplements, make sure you take the finasteride at least 4 hours before or after these herbal supplements. Some herbal supplements, according to my nursing drug book, may decrease the concentrations of finasteride, such as Sage Johnsworth, which is a herbal medicine that may help with depression. And so it is very important that your doctor or your pharmacist knows about this, okay? So guys, seeing an improvements in hair growth after 3 months of finasteride is most likely. There will be a lot of noticeable improvements, from less hair shedding to darkening of hair and thickening with taking finasteride daily, regardless of what time. Just remember, be patient, stay positive, and be consistent with finasteride daily, because that is what made my hair grow faster, particularly on the crown area and the temple areas. And lastly, make sure to always consult with your doctor and give them an update of your results. So guys, I know that this is a pretty short video, but I hope that you enjoyed it and learned something. Follow me on my Instagram and Facebook page, and you guys can also send me messages there. Again guys, thank you so much for supporting my channel. If you like this video, again, give it a thumbs up, turn on that notification bell for more updated videos such as this one, and guys, please share it to your friends and families. And I'll see you guys again next time on my next videos. Bye bye.